is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 29 of course A Beginner's Guide to Java Programming Language, and today we will understand ternary operator in Java and we'll execute a program to understand how to use ternary operators in Java. So let's start. It is used for assigning a value to a variable based on a Boolean expression. Can be used as an alternative to if-else statement. Now we will discuss the syntax of this ternary operator in Java. The syntax is first we will type result equal to sum condition value 1 value 2 and semicolons. This is the syntax of this ternary operator, and if the condition is true, then value 1 is returned, else value 2 is returned and stored in result variable. So let's start and execute a program in Java using Eclipse IDE and see how this operator return value. So here we are, viewers, at Eclipse IDE. We'll click on this button and click over here, click on the Java project. We will give a name as using ternary operator. Name of the project, click on the next button and then click on the finish button and give the module name as program. Click on the create button. Now you can see that we have a project name available using ternary operator. So we will right click on the module and delete it, and then click on the OK button, right click on the src folder, go to the new option. From here we'll click on the class and we will type the name as program and click on this public static void main method. So here we'll give the description as in the comment section and type as using ternary operator, like we have been doing for the past programs. Now under the public class program we will type a method named static void. TR is for ternary and OP is for operator, parenthesis and then braces. Here under this structure of this method we will declare a variable named integer j equal to 10 and initialize the value of variable j as 10 integer and type string result. So the type of the variable is string and the variable name is result, and we will assign as false question Superman is the greatest, column Batman is better. Now we'll type system dot out dot println and type parenthesis semicolon, and under this we will type result. So this result variable is going to check the ternary operator, false, Superman is greatest, or Batman is better. Out of these two, it will pass the result to the println as an argument, and this result will show the result. So the double quotes will not be allowed, just result will be typed because it is passed as an argument, as a parameter. Now we will type result equal to j greater than 20 question mark, j is greater than 20. Since the value of j is 10, which is less than 20, so the condition becomes false. So we're going to check whether the value of j is greater than 20 or not. So this condition becomes false. So the next one right after the colon, j is not less than 20. Now we'll type system.out.println and then type once again results. So these two results will be passed as, so here we're going to check if the condition becomes true, then the Superman is greatest will be returned, otherwise the Batman is better than returned. So we'll check the result against the value defined, but here we have given the false. So the false will be always executed after the colon, so we will receive the output as Batman is better. So Batman is better is passed as a parameter to the system.out method as a parameter and stored in the value of result used as a string variable. So it's a string, basically Batman is a better and Superman is the greatest. So false means that the first condition will be ignored right after the question mark, because this question, the Superman is greater, this string is right after the question mark is executed if the condition becomes true. But since we have passed boolean operator as false, so the false statement, false string right after the colon will be executed and will be passed as a parameter to println method. So result is passed as an argument over here. Likewise in this we have assigned the value of result as a variable, because we know very well that according to the assignment operator, right hand side is always assigned to the left hand side. This right hand side totally will be assigned to this variable result. So how it will be executed? First, the value of j is checked against the value 20. Since the value of j is defined as 10, it becomes a false statement. So j which is right, j is greater than 20 is a string which is right after the question mark is a true statement, and it will not be executed because this condition becomes false. So the string right after the colon j is not less than 20 will be executed, because this section right after the colon in ternary operator is executed when the condition becomes false. Since this condition is a false condition, so we will receive j is not less than as an output on the screen. So this result contains the check according to the execution of the ternary operator, and it contains the result as of string j is not less than 20. So we will receive j is not less than 20 as an output on the screen. And in this section, once again I'm going to repeat this, that this result first check the false statement. So one of these is false. So we know very well that right after the question mark is a true statement and right after the colon is the false statement. So we will ignore the true statement, Superman is the greatest, and we will just, and the control will be transferred to the false string which is Batman is better. So after the colon Batman is better will be stored in this result, and this result will return as Batman is better as an output. So we will receive two different output, this as a result which is called as an argument in println method. So we will first receive the Batman is better, and the second one is j is not less than 20 as an output on the screen. So we will call the method in the public main method TERNARY to show the output results on the screen. So keep it in your mind that all the name and the characters and the letters must be in case sensitive, because Java is a case sensitive language, so we cannot type public as if P as a capital. So if I type P as a capital, you can see a cross over here, which means that it generates an error, contains a syntax error. So we always need to type public, the letter P of public as small, and every static void, every letter should be small in order to receive a perfect, correct output on the screen. Now I'm going to execute this program. Click on the run button, click on the run as, click on the Java application. So you can see the output is Batman is better and J is not less than 20. In both cases, the condition becomes false. So the condition right after the question mark, the true condition is ignored, and the false condition right after the colon is executed in both cases, and we can see both false statement on the screen by using ternary operator. So this is how ternary operator is used in Java programming language. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.